Math Project by Noely del Cisne Lopez Rivera. Math equation using rate and radio. Mia's car goes in of 120 miles per 3 hours while Jessica's car goes in 150 miles per 5 hours. Which car is going faster? In rate. 120 miles per 3 hours, that's Mia, and 150 miles per 5 hours, that's Jessica. This fraction is called radio because it refers to two different things and because in both time it's a rate. Rate to unit rate. I'm going to turn this rate into a unit rate by simplifying the ratio time. 120 miles per 3 hours into 30 miles an hour and 150 miles per 5 hours into 40 miles an hour. So we know that Mia's car was faster than Jessica's car. That's the answer. Math equation using equality property. How many miles will it take Jessica to reach Mia's car? Equality property. In this problem, we are applying equality property. It's putting the same number by adding, subtracting, or dividing, or multiplying both sides of an equation. Using equality property, x equals to unknown value. X plus 30 in hours equals to 40 in hours. So we apply the negative 30 in both sides of the equation. And we take down x equals to x is equal to 10 miles an hour. Answer. So we know that x equals 10 miles per hour is what Jessica needs to reach Mia's car. Math equation using conversation factor. Mia's car was faster in 40 miles per hour and Jessica was slower in 50 miles per hour. How many kilometers are in 40 miles per hour? Conversation factor. First, I'll find the relationship between kilometers and mile. I know that for every 1 mile, there is 1.609 kilometers. Using conversion factor, 1 mile times 1.609 kilometers equals to 1.609 kilometers. 2 miles times 1.609 kilometers equals to 3.218 kilometers. 3 miles times 1.609 kilometers equals to 4.827 kilometers. We found the relationship from miles to kilometers. Using conversion factor, here we'd have 1.609 kilometers over 1 mile, and on the left side we have 40 miles, and this equation is equal to 64.36 kilometers in hours. Answer. By applying conversion factor, we know that Mia's car was going at 64.36 kilometers per hour. Using conversion factor, example 2. Now we know what Mia's kilometers per hour was. We want to know how many kilometers are in Jessica's car in 30 miles per hour. Using conversion factor, example 2. 1 mile equals to 1.609 kilometers and 1.609 kilometers over 1 mile. On the left side we have 30 miles equals to 48.27 kilometers in hours. Answer example 2. Now we know what Jessica kilometers per hour is 48.27. What are polynomials? Polynomials have terms. Terms are mathematical expressions that are made from two parts, coefficient and variables. In algebra, these two are amplified together. Polynomials are a combination of many terms linked together by adding and subtracting. We also know the difference because equations have equal signs and expressions don't have. Instead, they are equivalent and have the same value. Using expressions, the M is equal to Mia's car and the J is equal to Jessica's car. M parenthesis 64.37 plus the variable J to the coefficient of 48.27 kilometers an hour is equivalent to 64.36 M plus 48 plus 0.27 J kilometers an hour. This expression is equal to the value. And so now we know how in the equation that we use conversion factor and we turn it into expression. And the expression that we made from the conversion factor was equivalent to what we factored out. Thanks for watching.